Hi guys, guess what? I've got two parcels today, both from Japan. I was waiting for one of them for a long time. One was from Volks or Dolphy Dream. Did I say I'm not going to buy any more Dolphy Dreams? I actually kind of didn't. Well, I did, but it's just the body and it's not SD size, it's MSD. So I'm just still checking out them. Especially this body, the one I ordered from Volks, is I want to compare it in a sense to Angel Philia. So another box is Angel Philia, another doll. The one, so it's from Mandarake though. I just want to show that both of the companies, interestingly, they put the value I paid, including postage. So the Volks put 37,000 something yen, and Mandarake put 49. I don't think they included postage on this one actually. I think the postage included here though. Yeah, shipping charge. This one not so, and obviously I paid less custom fees on that one. So on this custom fee was 53 and that was 75. It's still cheaper to buy on Mandarake, Angel Philia's, the brand new, than on Faithz. Basically, if you buy or pre-order with Faithz, you overcharge by 150 quid. Roughly, plus minus. Yeah, so in the Volks, I ordered directly this time, not through the Secure Dreams, and it was much cheaper, obviously, even with the custom fees. But what I was saying is that this body is kind of, you'll see it's got quite voluminous bottom part, and I just want to see how it's different with the, I mean it will be different, but I want to see how it is in comparison to Angel Philia. So I removed all the labels. I will try to open them on camera one after another, and then I'll compare it obviously. So just to say that the Angel Philia is the sculpt Honoka or Honoka. That's it's a bit odd. This sculpt was, I mean, the whole doll was available as a pre-order on Faithz, and I think it's currently, in stock on Faithz. It's a tan doll, and on their site, the Honoka is over the small bust. But when I looked at Mandarake, it's actually showing two different pictures. One is small bust, and one is a really huge one. So I don't know which one I'm gonna get. Yeah, so by the way, the Honoka is a Spanish origin, means spike. So it's not Japanese, it's Spanish. Anyway, let's open the... I don't know what to expect from Dolphy Dream. So it's the body called Mochi. It's quite... like I said, heavy bottom. Interesting packaging. So I waited for this doll for a long time, even it was in stock, but apparently Volks is so busy and don't have a lot of employees to pack the order, so they literally apologized to me and sent me a letter after 3 weeks saying, "We're sorry, and we have to, can you wait please?" So, and by the way, I ordered separate bus because the bus she comes in MDD, basically, like MSD, really flat, and I don't like it. I don't mind it, but I mean, because she already got like voluminous bottom, I thought I need to order her bigger, but I think it's flesh color, and it's just the body, it's not a head. Like I said, I want to see what the body looks like. You know what they say, the curiosity killed the cat. I was trying to get a second hand somebody. I was just asking on the forums. Somebody will go to, not forums, Facebook. Somebody will go to second hand, and I was willing to pay pretty much the same price to buy it new, but no answer. So I thought I better order it like that. So it's quite a nice pack. Concept note. Don't know what it is, to be fair. If you can hear the purring, it's my small ginger cat. So loud. Did I have similar before? I think I did. So as you know, probably, or whoever follows me, I've got this doll, Tova. I actually really like her. Even I'm not into anime, but I like how cute she is, and her body is amazing. Even the legs fall off, but who cares? Apparently it's a common problem in her particular model. Oh, well, what I don't like straight away is the feet. Is just not my cup of tea at all. It's childish, but I guess MDD is supposed to be like a younger sister to the Dolphins, as D one is this size. So I guess you can forgive that. But again, you know, you can make an older doll. So look at that. That's quite nice hips. But yeah, there is a, I would say it's a chunky chunky childish rather than volume like Angel Philia. Yeah, I'll open the Angel Philia and compare the two. I like the dimples. He's so cute. And I found also somebody managed to change the hand to more mature one from Angel Philia. Need to find that tutorial. Somebody did show that. So yeah, that's the bust for her. Oh, I don't know. Do I change it now or later? Oh, I don't know. I don't have a hat for this doll unless I'm gonna rummage and I'll try to find. I've got the MSD size resin hat, like a floating one, which artist made one, and I might fit it in there actually, because yeah. So that's this one. I don't know. Is it like the same problem as the other one? Probably not. Doesn't look like it. So the other one just falls off from the body I had for the Tova. The body is amazing, so gorgeous, but it just legs falls off. Oh, and whatever you do, it just don't stay. Right, so let's go to the dessert. Just don't cut myself like I usually do. I have a bit to clear out of my dolls. I'm selling some of my resin ones and even some of the vinyls, like smart dolls. Getting rid of some of them because I kind of, I don't know, I still like some of the smart doll sculpts, but it's getting a bit repetitive. Okay, there's nothing else in here. Soft skin again, right. I already had revision of all my boxes and I checked some boxes out, even they were original of the dolls, but it just doesn't make any sense keeping them, especially the dolls which are probably never gonna sell. I kept a lot of like soul dolls, the ones sculpts I like. Okay, so it's a box inside the box. Here we go. Seriously? This is the end. No, that's not the end. Ah, that's the end here. Haha. You know, I should know by now how many boxes of Angel Philias I opened. Okay, it's pink one again. Because it's pink drops. Oh. And I think there is a new Angel Philia currently on pre-order. Like, well, I didn't pre-order it because I'm gonna just buy from Mandarake when it's become available. It's not new scalp, but old scalp, but I like the scalp quite nice. So again, this is a tan, and this is a tongue, and these are the tongues to put in. This is one of the open mouth one, and I'm still kind of not sure about the open mouth, but I like her when she was dressed and everything. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is the first time they come with non-blushed hands like piece, because usually they include only this, you know, the relaxed and the cute fists, but this time they also included the oh great, I got something with my nails. They included the piece one, and yeah, so, and but they're not blushed, so this one's a blushed. You can see this blushed, and nails painted, but so light, so light. I mean, it's light in not heavy light. Oh, definitely different tan. Oh, lovely. So all my Angel Philia are white or normal. So that's not normal, I think. That's whitish. No, that's normal, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay, let's stand in there. Doll nudity, of course. I mean, I didn't say that about the doll to dream because they kind of don't have really anything. Well, they do, but don't at the same time. Ah, small bust. That's really confusing because on the site on this Mandarake one, she was promoted as a really heavy busted lady. And this color is actually different to normal blushing. It's more darker. Yeah. She reminds me, so this features like till here, I think like a Mona or M Scout. But yeah, okay. So what I wanted to do is literally compare the two. Yeah, I guess it's quite a big difference really. So I don't think they can share clothes on the bottom at all. Maybe on the top, because they both are MSDs. I can't see because of the thing in front of me. Yeah, I think they can share the top, but not the bottom. Okay. In terms of heads, I do wonder whether the Angel Philia are gonna fit that head. Folk on MDD. I'll try to find Simo head anyway. Yeah, I quite like the small bust now because I've got a few ladies with the full chest. Okay. I'll put some clothes in here and I guess I'm gonna compare them. Guys, I'm not gonna show you the articulation because the Bitso obviously is a Bitso. And this one though, articulation wise, it's probably different to what I had, but it's like a double jointed here, so she can touch. It's a bit of a movement here in terms of leg. They can't sit because I mean, like on their knees, not double jointed, but that's the whole. That's the, I guess, problem. Not the problem, but just the limitations. And Angel Philia they can pretty much have their leg up there on the back. I mean, yeah, that's fine. As long as the legs don't fall off, that's the main thing. It's quite loose, this one. Yeah, very chunky, look at that. Just like kitties. But I do like the good bit of bit, I said. Not much, a bit. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. I have got one of the most amazing heads. It's artist made head and it fits so well to the MDD, the Dolphin Dream body. So you can see basically the hips are something between the Angel Philia and normal MSD, and I could not fit any clothes for her at all. Angel Philia is too big for the hips, so the hips are too big for her, and MSD is too small, like normal BJD. So I guess it's gonna be a lot of fun making clothes for that lady, because she is clearly not standard one. The top interchangeable, especially for small bust and Angel Philia. I think they kind of exchange the clothes pretty well. And normal MSD fits as well, both of them anyway. I mean, if it's small bust. But because she got a bigger bust now, so I actually put here the large bust. And she fits Angel Philia bust pretty well. The small, even the slightly bigger one too. But I mean, MSD is alright for her, even with this kind of big one bust. I was kind of thinking, how do I attach the tongue? So I kind of wonkily, this is a short tongue I attached, and I just use blue tag, which is like special tag, which is, it's not blue tag, but it's like a bit more sticky than that. And the problem is you can actually see it. If you do got too much, you have to tiny amount of it. Anyway, so that's my experience, and you can see I'm just was very curious about the body of MDD, the Mochi one, Mochi, I don't know what it's called. And I'm quite glad that I did it. So I found the body at last for this head, which been with me for a long time now. It's, I think, a Russian artist. Don't remember the name. She was on Etsy, and I see some people selling these heads for absolutely crazy amount of money. I don't know why it wasn't that expensive in the first place. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a really quick comparison, but it's just more kind of for nice to know experience kind of thing. See you later. Bye.